Yes, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the 3D data science workshop organized by Eduinx. My name is Priya. I work with Eduinx team. So, before we start, I would like to introduce our co founder, Mr. Gurumurthy. So, today we are having a special career guidance session by him. So, it's all about how to get the data science jobs and current market needs, how to build the right roadmap, what companies like expect in the interviews, IBAC global certification value and all. So as you all know, the people who are participating in this workshop will be receiving a official participation certificate from Eduinx to the email ID after next week. So thank you once again for joining. So we hope that all these 3 days will give you a strong start to the data science journey. Now I hand it over to Gurumurthy sir to begin today's session. Sir, over to you.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Thank you. So, good morning, all. How are you? Let's keep a section more interactive, and I request everyone to be accessible in the chat. So let's make the session more interactive. So, good morning to everyone. How are you all? Thank you. My name is Gurumurthy. I'm the co-founder of Eduinx, and I head the career services and placements. I'm having about 18 years of experience. I did my engineering from Tamil Nadu, did my MBA from Singapore, then I was in US, then I was in Dubai, then back to India. Then I was in for quite a long time in Canada. Currently, I lead the career services. I'm the co-founder here. So thank you so much for joining here today. So let's make this session more interactive. Okay. Let me start this session with a simple story here, a small story. When I was doing my studies, either in a college or school, most of the teacher told me to study well. Same. Parents told me to get a good marks and get a good college and go for a higher studies or etc. etc. Actually, and society told me, my friends, my relatives, everyone told me like to do an engineering, do a coding, get a degree. But nobody, literally nobody, told me how to build that C. And I want you to think about what is the meaning of that C. I just so I want you to type there what could be that C. Yeah, Pallavi, that's great. That's career. Any other thoughts? Let me add a follow-up question here. What is the difference between career and placements? Confidence. Thank you. What is the difference between career and placements? Can someone think about it? Because most of the engineering institutes or B schools talks about like a kind of placements. So what is the difference between a person's career and a placement's? Career is future. Thank you, and you can go wherever you are interested in. Yes, Ramya. Thanks. Then Okay, career it's like a broad term for it's a long term professional journey. While placement is very specific. It's like a temporary term, like student work experience or services that matches the student. So that's why most of the engineering schools or a B schools talks more about the placements rather than career, because it's about like how fast we can able to you can how fast the institution can able to place that candidate to the industry. That is where the success lies actually. Yes. Yeah, placement is present. Yes, thank you. Yeah. So these are the points I'm going to cover today. First thing is career, the thing that decides your salary, your future, your growth, your lifestyle actually. But my parents, my friends, my teachers, nobody discuss it very clearly actually. So today I'm going to break it down for you in a very simplest way actually, so you can able to understand how you can able to build a career. uh, okay. So imagine today is your day one of your career, not your college. Okay. If you start correctly today, your next 10 years will be very easy, peaceful, and growth oriented. So in this session, so I'm going to explain few things. What is happening in the India's job market, why data science it's a fast going field now, and what salaries you can get, and what roles you can target, and what skills actually matters, and how we take you from zero to job ready. I'm very clear here, you don't need to know coding. If you have a good coding knowledge, that is fine. But we are going to help you to learn coding, and you don't need a strong background in coding. And if you can able to understand the basic English, simple maths, you can start career science, data science journey actually. The session that can change your direction. Okay, let me pause here. Let me know what other things you want to know from this. What are the other things you want to know from here? Actually, if you could throw some lights in the message, so I can add that one also. Yes, Shweta, thank you. Career is a path we choose for us. Placements is an institute from we get in the first time. Yeah, thank you. Any other thoughts you are looking for? So I'm going to cover everything today. But if you have some other thoughts in your mind, so I'm going to help you because the entire session I'm going to help you to create a proper CV, the data science projects, and what is the difference between the data scientist and the data analyst. Then how to create a right GitHub profile, LinkedIn profile, then followed by how to attend the interview process, then followed by how to get an offer. Yeah. Yes, Shweta, I'm going to talk about data scientists and AI engineering soon in the following slides. Any other doubts? Let me scroll through the slides and everything. So in case if you have any follow-up questions, you can definitely type the message in the chat. So I'm happy to help you here. Okay, guys, did you ever notice what is happening in the India job market today? Everywhere you go, whether you are using a Swiggy, Zomato, Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart, shopping, food delivery, banking, any bank apps, everything runs on data. Is this correct or not? Yes, Shweta, I'm going to answer those questions at the end of the call. Yes, because everything runs on data today. Whatever the website, because you just open your mobile phone, you can able to see loads and loads of apps. Everything runs on data. A simple example I'm going to talk here. Probably you may order a biryani or a kind of fast food, or whatever the thing, or a pizza or a burger on Zomato. You get a delivery on time. Your favorite restaurant suggestions will come there, and your payment offers. Behind all of this, did you ever notice what is there? You get a delivery on time. Your favorite, for example, if I'm going to type in the Zomato or Swiggy, Swiggy, I'm looking for a pizza, or I'm looking for a healthy dishes with a protein-rich content. Got it, right? So you'll get a delivery details, you'll get a restaurant details, suggestions, and payment offers, and everything. Behind everything, what is there? Yes, data and digital communication. Then I request everyone to share their thoughts, whether it's a correct or not. That's a different thing, but we respect everyone's thoughts. Please make sure you share your thoughts. Actually, behind everything, this is data. Now multiply this data by crores of Indian using the apps daily. Got it, right? This is why India has 3.1 lakh open data jobs. Be it a data scientist, business analyst, data analyst, AIML engineer, or whatever the roles. It's about like 3.1 lakh open data jobs today, as on today. And data jobs are growing like 45 percentage year on year, actually. And India is the second fastest growing market after the US in the data market in the world. By 2027, just mark my words, in another 1 year, we need at least like 10 lakh plus data professionals in India. Companies, any corporates, they don't have enough skilled people now. That is why this is the best time to learn the skill, especially the data science. Let's talk about what is happening as a bad news now. Everybody knows layoffs, layoffs, layoffs everywhere. Actually, it's only layoffs today. Actually, everywhere. Okay. Before I start with the good news, let me show what is the reality here today. Okay. I want you to imagine one person. Let's take a name as in Rohan or Karthik. Okay. Rohan works for a company. He is very smart, but his job is manual, like updating Excel, manual testing, cut, copy, paste, and sending emails, and marking the teams, the tickets, and everything. One fine day, let's think about this situation. His company introduced automation tool, and suddenly Rohan or Karthik's work become unnecessary. Now let's come to that final situation here. He comes to the office, HR calls him. We are downsizing or reducing the workforce today. This is not about Rohan's story or Karthik's story. 85,000 people, just listen this word, 85,000 people in India face this in the last 2 years. You know what is happening with the leading BFSI industries and top five IT services companies, and the farm companies, right? Many jobs, especially the technical, little technical or a non-technical roles, are being removed today, and AI is replacing people who do the repetitive work. But what, the roles that require data and AI skills, those roles are not only safe, they are growing. Please understand, they are growing a lot. Now let me show you what is the good part here. Actually, the good news. The good news is, India has 3.1 lakh open AI and data science roles. Now imagine Another student called Priya. Priya does not have a coding background. She studied BCom, or she studied BA or something, arts and science, not a core engineer, and she joins the data science program. In 4 or 5 months, what she learns: point number one, basic understanding of mathematics, Excel, SQL, Power BI, basics of Python, the real projects. When she applies for a job in a mid-sized companies or a top companies, she get placed as a fresher, as a data scientist or a business analyst or a AML engineer with a 5 lakhs plus CTC actually. Why? Because India has 3.1 lakh open roles. Companies are actively hunting for data analyst, data scientist, ML engineer, GenAI engineers, and everything. And salaries are very strong in India. A data analyst minimum salary in the market, it's about like starting from 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs, and data scientist can guarantee up to 25 lakhs, and machine learning and AI engineer 20 to 50 lakhs in the market if you're going for a really, really high companies. And this field is honestly the safest bet today and fastest growing job category today. And the best part is you can switch to data science in 6 months, 180 days, if you learn the right skills. And we at Eduinx help you to get the steps. In each and every step, we are going to help you right from the skills, projects, how to create a proper GitHub, and placements. I'm just pausing here. Any doubts, you may post it here and I'll take it further.
Ready na?
Yes, yeah, freelance
कितने
opportunities.
से बोल रहे हैं तेरे माँ को?
Search for the data science roles. Yes, Sarath, I'm going to help you here how to search for the data science roles. Any other questions? Okay. So I'm going to give a situation for you now. And this is the situation. I have just typed the situation. Got it? Imagine tomorrow morning, your manager or company calls you and says, from the next month, your role will be changed because AI and automation will handle your current project work. What will you do? This is my question. I'm going to pause for a few minutes, 7:34. I'm going to back by 7:36. Just let me know, I just need your answers in the chat box. Say it doesn't matter whether you're a fresher or an experienced folk or currently doing your graduation. It doesn't matter for me. You just go back and think the situation. And I just need, your answers in the chat message. Another 2 minutes for you, please. Guys, this is not a marketing pitch. Please understand, we have to upgrade ourselves in the A. That's perfectly fine. But please understand, this is not a marketing pitch. I want you to go back and think. Got it right? If your manager come back and say like a kind of tomorrow, within 30 days, we are going to update an automation. We are going to update and automate your job. So from upcoming month, we don't have a vacancy for you. What you are going to do? My thought process is very simple. Only one thing is upskilling. Till Priya, that's not a right answer. Actually, got it right. Because end of the day, what matters a lot is upskilling. Be it you are a CEO, be it you are in the age group of 50 years or 60 years or 70 years also. Upskilling matters a lot. Whoever is looking for upskilling, whoever goes for an upskilling, these people can be able to survive in the job market. That's the data shows. Any other thoughts? I'm looking forward for your thoughts, guys. Just be like an I request you to think a lot and be interactive in the session, please. Yeah, upskill and reskill. Okay, then thank you, Subhasha. Thank you. Upskilling is it's a requirement for the market today, and you have to upskill a lot. Then till your career, you have to upskill, because right, every technology which changes a lot in a decade. So you have to keep upskilling. Let me give you an idea here. What are the roles you can target? Whether you are a fresher or a experienced folk, it doesn't matter. The roles you can target. If I am a student, students usually think like few things, right? To enter a data science, whether I should be a coding person, it's partially true, partially not true. There are many entry points. Got it right? First one is a data analyst. That is best for freshers. Got it right? And BA analyst. That is with the dashboards and reports actually. Machine learning engineer. Someone who is really good in technology. That is for the person who loves the technology. Data scientist. It's a problem solving plus maths. Gen AI engineer. It's a generative AI engineer. It's a newest trend today. And AI product manager. That will be, guys. Please understand. This should be your topmost role for the people who likes planning and strategy. So every type of student, whether you are from a arts, science, BBA, BCA, BTech, or any background, you can find a place there in data science. Thank you so much, Pallavi. Yeah. So someone asked about what is the difference between the data analyst and ML engineer. So I'm going to explain that one soon in the upcoming slides. And this is the about like data analyst. So someone talking about data analyst. So these are the skills people are looking for a data analyst career path. Let me explain a career growth here with a small example. As a data analyst, you are going to start with the simple things, a basic mathematics. It's not a rocket science. The mathematics that we have learned in the fifth standard to 10th standard, and Excel sheets, SQL queries, Python basics, and making a dashboard and cleaning data. But slowly, when you understand the business, you handle the bigger responsibilities. And the career grows like this: a data analyst, senior analyst, an analytics manager, and data scientist. This is the most practical starting point for any fresher, because company loves data analyst. Why? They solve daily business problems. How many guys? Let me throw one more question here. How many guys likes IPL? I just need like a yes or no comments in the group. So who is your favorite star in the IPL? Favorite cricket player in the IPL? Dhoni. Okay. Then MS Dhoni. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let me explain this with IPL here, so you can able to relate a lot. This will be like a very practical example. Say for example, let's take a situation here. Imagine you are watching an IPL, probably a CSK or Mumbai Indians or LSG or whatever the match. But instead of sitting at home, got it right? You are sitting with a team. You are sitting in the dugout area with the captain and the coach for the team. Your job is very simple. So, what is your job there actually? You are watching the match, reading the numbers on screen, and tell the coach what is really happening. That's it. This is called as a data analyst. But what do you actually do after every ball? You check the numbers, right? Whether the ball it's a fast ball or slow ball or a dead ball, and where did the ball land, and how the batsman hit that ball. Okay, you go back and say like a kind of for Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the batsman is only hitting on the leg side. Put one more fielder there. That's simple. This is a data analysis. You go back and say the batsman is hitting only on the leg side. So put one more fielder there. So he may out very fast. Got it right. Then you go back and say the captain what is working. This bowler is very small and medium facing bowler, and he is troubling the batsman. Make him to deliver much more slower balls. Now you go back and see what is the batsman weakness. Does Dhoni miss the bouncers? Does he struggle with the spin bowlers? And what about the Yorkers? Okay, now you come to know like, yeah, he's struggling with the Yorkers. Try the Yorker. He struggled with that one. This is the data analyst job. Is this is making sense for you? Think for 1 minute. If I give you yesterday's IPL match, one of my favorite matches, CSK with Gujarat Titans, probably 2024, which was happened in Ahmedabad. Uh, can you tell me now which bowler should bowl the last over? I'm just giving an example. Think for a minute. You may watch an IPL match which was happened on yesterday. Just let me know which bowler has to bowl the last over based on the data analytics. You think silently. If you say the answer no, that means you need the data skills. That's why data analysts are very important today. And this is the role of data analyst or business analyst. As simple as this. Let's go for someone is asking what is the difference between the data analyst and data scientist. Now imagine someone who loves logic, patterns, mathematics. They work as a data scientist. They work on Python, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, cloud, and big data. And their career growth becomes like a data analyst, data scientist, senior data scientist, principal data scientist, and lead data scientist, or a chief data science officer. These roles are high paying and future proof. Okay, let's go back and give a very super simple story about what is the role of data scientist. Got it right? Okay, let me ask the question here. How many guys here likes the crime or thriller movies? Actually, crime or thriller movies. Okay, Fredita, right? Crime movies. Then how many guys have watched the movie called Drishyam? Probably it was started as a Papanasam in Tamil. Drishyam movie. So I just want to know, like, what is the one thing you have most liked about that movie? Yes, the sequence of substance suspense along the movie. Yes, thank you so much, Ramya. Thanks a lot. The same thing, a data scientist, he is going to do. Imagine you are a detective, or a star like a Kamal Hassan, or you know. It's a Malayalam version, or some other star actually. Got it right. So instead of solving crimes, you are going to solve the problems using data. That is what exactly the data scientist is going to do. It's like a kind of data detective. You are not going to guess anything. This is what exactly the Kamala Hassan will do in the Pavanasam or Drishyam. You are not going to assume anything. You look at the numbers, patterns, clues. Then you will go back and tell the company what will happen next. For example, you understand the problem. Why our customers are installing our app? For example, some people may install a Swiggy app, then they will uninstall the app, right? So you don't take a guess there. Actually, you look at the data, and then you go back and collect the data and clean the data. Got it right. Then you find out like what is the complaints, rating, time, and everything. Then you go back and find the patterns. Okay, the people uninstall the Swiggy or Zomato from their mobile phones at the night time or in the early morning time. People are uninstalling after seeing so much of ads. Advertisements are keep on there, so they are uninstalling. People are uninstalling because of the app crash. So these are like a patterns you found out. Now You are building a thinking model. This is what the data scientist will do. It's like a small robot. Got it right? That learns from the past data. Why do users uninstall? What type of users? What is the age group they uninstall? What are the actions lead them to uninstall? Now the model will say, tomorrow we may think like tomorrow we think at least 300 people may uninstall the app, and they are mostly Android users because the apps are crashing actually, and mostly the people who faced more than 3 times the crashes in the apps. So this is the prediction. Now, as a data scientist, you go back and give a final solution to the company. Please reduce the ads during the night time. If someone is ordering a food, just go directly to the food and fix the app crash and improve the loading speed. So the company follows your idea. That will help to uninstall the drops, business grows, and you become like a hero there actually. Let me give you a real lifetime examples here actually. What's happening today? So I'm going to give you like a Swiggy and Amazon. Got it right? Let's think about Swiggy here and Amazon. Say if you are a data scientist working for a Swiggy or Amazon, got it right? Just give me like one example. Real life example. Think about like how you can able to relate with your day to day job. If you are a data scientist with Swiggy or Amazon, just predict like if you are what you are going to do. Okay, find out the fast moving items and slow moving items, customer segmentations. Any other thought process, please? Think you are a data scientist working for a Swiggy or Amazon. Find out the fast moving items and slow moving items. Guys, my request is very simple here. Don't think complicated. I just need as a data scientist or a business analyst or a data analyst, you should think from the ground level, not like complicating any situation actually. I'll give an example, a layman example here. Say, go to the Amazon, either it's an app or online, search for the shoes, or search for the type, or search for mobile phones. Amazon from the upcoming date will keep on showing all the shoe ads, right? Shoe offers, shoe brands, and shoe discounts. Am I correct or not? Yeah, it start giving loads of recommendation about different kind of shoes, brands, offers, and the partners who are selling those brands. Am I correct or not? Do you ever think why? Do you ever think why? My question is why. I'll repeat the question. So if you are ordering if you are ordering something, if you are searching something in the Flipkart or Amazon or Myntra, probably a dress or probably shoes or whatever the thing. From next day morning, it will keep on showing all the ads, right? Whether it's a Google ads or some, it's all about discounts, offers, and everything in the Amazon websites or a Myntra or Flipkart. Why? Because they have data scientists. Amazon checks what you have searched, what you have clicked, what price range you like, millions and millions of data. And when you are going to buy based on your pattern, got it right? What kind of products you like to buy. So Amazon predicts as a data scientist, you will go back and predict. Yeah, this person has keep on searching the shoes. So this person will probably buy the shoes by end of November or first week of December. So Amazon starts showing more shoes before even you decide. You got it right. Let's take a same example for Swiggy. Imagine it's a Sunday evening today. You got it, and it's raining outside. Now you think about what Swiggy will predict. What Swiggy will predict now. Because they have a tons and tons of data. What is the Bangalore climate and Chennai climate and Hyderabad climate? It's a Gurgaon, Delhi NCR, Mumbai, whatever the climate. They have tons and tons of data and tons of data about you. Now let's think you are a data scientist with Swiggy. What you are going to predict? So let me give a simple example. It's raining outside, and people are seems to be lazy. The traffic is also very less, so nobody wants to cook now. So Swiggy has a millions of users, right? So Swiggy doesn't wait for your order. Swiggy already knows who is going to order the food in upcoming 1 hour. So Swiggy has a data scientist. So data scientist will check when do the people usually order and what time, what is the weather condition and which food. Then the system says 50,000 people may order the food in next 1 hour. Most of the people will order biryani because it's raining. So the Swiggy tells restaurant prepare more biryanis, get and it will start increasing more delivery boys in the specific location, and it will increase the cooking speed. That is why your delivery time, did you ever notice it is very accurate always? That's the power of data science. Probably if you are ordering some biryani or some whatever the food in a restaurant, it will automatically shows right within 45 minutes or 30 minutes your food will be delivered. That's the power of data science. And it's a delicious food. Yeah, hot snacks. Thank you. Am I making sense, guys? This is as simple as this actually. And let me pause here. If you have any doubts, let us know. And I want you to think about some real life examples. Probably thousand. Probably I can say 10 to 15 apps were installed in your phone, right from Make My Trip till Book My Show. Got it right. And Swiggy, Amazon. I want everyone to type what are the apps that you have installed in your mobile phones. Just a name of the apps. Thank you. Blinkit, Big Basket, Myntra, Book My Show. I have Geo 7. I have Rapido. I have Uber app, and Tata Play Bench. That's one of my favorite app. And I have a Zomato Gold, Swiggy. Guys, think from your end. What are the apps that you have already? So every company they need a data scientist now. Yeah, WhatsApp. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, that's one of the thing. Yeah, Meesho, WhatsApp, Facebook, Naukri, LinkedIn. Say, say, yeah, got it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. And guys, this is the difference between data analyst and data scientist. I'll give you a simple example, just to make you to understand this one in a layman way. Let's make it like very simple. Data analyst, it's like a doctor. Say if I'm having a fever or a throat infection or whatever the issues, I go to the doctor. I'll explain about my issues to him. So doctor is a person who checks the patient's report. They see what happened. Got it right? So that's called as a data analyst. Data scientist is a doctor who predict the future sickness. They tell you what will happen next. Both roles are very important. There are no too much of difference here. Both are paying well, and both can be learned step by step. If you have any doubts between these two roles, whatever the doubts, I'm happy to help you here. Thanks, Naveen. Let me go back here. We are a part of IBAC. It's an international agency, and why it matters a lot is, let me tell you the truth here. Certifications don't give you a job. Certification gives you a credibility, because IBAC, it's our training partner. It's recognized in 170 plus countries, and it has a lifetime validity. And this is totally respected by all the recruiters and industry professionals. And it clearly shows you have learned the industry standard skills. This will add a one strong line in your CV. And we are a part of NASCOM, we are a part of MTech Odisha, and we are a part of Startup India. And let me give you an idea about our program structure. We offer a 6 months of data science program. And this program, we follow a very simple teaching system here. Our approach is like a kind of building a small house. A foundation starts with maths and Python, what we learned in the 5th standard to 10th standard, then followed with the pillars, statistics and machine learning, and interiors, deep learning, GenAI and everything. And finally, the decoration, the projects in GitHub, and the proof it's a IBAC certification actually. And you'll get like a 300 hours plus learning, 10 plus mini projects, 3 to 5 capstone projects, and a lifetime recordings, mentor support. This is everything you need from the beginner to the job ready actually. Let me tell you one fact, because I come with 18 years of experience with the industry. And you know one fact I'm going to clarify here: companies are least bothered about your marks. Yes, marks is a gateway or a gate pass till you enter the interview process or till you get shortlisted. Probably companies may have some cutoffs, but after that, they are going to be least bothered about your marks. Actually, they will ask what you have built as a projects. So we give you a real projects, right from predicting the customer churn for a telecom till GenAI automation projects. These projects are a part of your GitHub Strong. That is what recruiter is going to see here. The tools that you are going to learn, the stories that you are going to say. You will learn the tools that the real companies use. These are the key tools that you are going to learn in the entire 180 days, right from the Python, SQL, Power BI, Tableau for analytics, ChatGPT, Gemini, DALI for GenAI, PyTorch, TensorFlow for the deep learning. These tools will make you as a job ready and confident actually. This is a part of learning process. When you want to become like a data scientist or a data analyst, these tools are compulsory for you to learn. And and we are going to help you for the interview preparation, so you can able to see this matrix here that shows about like a kind of data science interview preparation, and everything we are going to help you right from what is the kind of coding questions, statistics, machine learning, and product sense, and the behavioral part of the questions. So we are going to help you to learn. We'll prepare you very slowly, step by step. You will practice questions, projects, case studies, and everything. This is a 7-step process. We are going to prepare you for the interview process to clear the data science interviews. First, you have to pick the right role. Then you have to build a strong LinkedIn and GitHub profile and resumes with the projects or a real outcomes. And you have to clear the telephonic round, then followed by the assignments rounds. Then you have to explain the projects, what you have prepared in the final interview process, then the follow-up actually. So we have a team and we are going to guide you personally in all the 7 steps. Let me tell you what does it takes actually. The placement support, our placement system is designed for the freshers till the experienced candidate who feel lost at this current situation. So we are going to help you to clear to go for a right role, mock interviews, career guidance, interview lineups, weekly tracking, and it's the program. It's about like 100% assurance. And if you don't get a job uh, within 6 months of completion of the program, the fee will be refunded. And we work with the top companies like Amazon, JP Morgan, TCS, Accenture, Walmart, Google, etc. Actually, you do learning. That's it, and we will take care of the rest. Yes, this is the word we are talking about. The no one talks about the parents, your family's friend. They will talk about the placements, your placement officer, or a institution's career services cell. They talks about only the placements. No one talks about the career, and we are going to help you to create the right career for you. And these are the final thoughts from my end. This is a QR code we have just given here. Kindly scan this QR code from your mobile phone, and we offer a 48 hours of exclusive scholarship with a limited seat, and you will become as a data scientist in 6 months. And you can ask me anything. I'm open to the floor now, and this could be a starting point for your life. And seats are limited. If you want to be strong for a next 10 years with a future proof career, this is the right time. And I'm here to help you. You can ask me anything, right from the salary, career change, placements, learning path, anything. No questions are small. Your career matters a lot, and I'm here to guide you. Actually, I'm open for any questions. I'm open for any questions. Okay, someone asked, or is for which language? Okay, or is in a very simple way I can talk about, or is a computer science language that is mainly used for the statistics and data analysis. If Python, everybody knows Python, it's a general purpose language. The or is a data plus statistics language. Say for example, you have a tons and tons of Excel sheet, and you have a survey data, medical records, got it right? And more than Python, or helps you to analyze that one in a better way, and it will predict, and it will help you to make a charts, find a pattern. So the people who use the are like a kind of data analyst and data scientist. Navi, is this clear for you? Yeah, Shweta, I got your question here. So what I'm trying to clarify here is, you know, so when you have a gap, it's not a problem actually. So what I'm trying to clarify here is, you can go back to the recruiter and say like a kind of, I have cleared the prelims twice. Even though I could not able to complete all stages, the preparation helped me to build a strong discipline, logical thinking, and time management. So this is not going to be an issue for the recruiters. This is totally understandable with especially if it's a competitive exams like ESC. Got it right? Clearing the prelims itself, it's a strong achievements. Got it right? So that's not going to, that will be like an added benefit for you. uh, so you don't need to worry about it. Arul Raj, the entire program goes for online. Within 3 months, we'll start preparing you for the placement activities. So the classes will happen with with a professor from with a faculty from IIT Madras. So he is going to train you for the entire program. So it will be totally an online class, and we have our own CRM portal, the Graphy that you are using today, the same portal we are having. So the classes will happen over online. Yeah. Thanks, Arul Raj. The Amira, the batch we are going to start it from the coming Saturday. So the team will be in touch with you. So you can that the admission team will be in touch with you. Yeah, Ramya, you have 5 years of experience. Got it right. In software testing, later due to the relocation, I did my BN and I was working as CBSE school teacher. Now I'm trying to restart a career. Yes, Ramya, switching to data science is a right decision with the right certification at this point of time. It's not only a paper. It's a global certification, IBAC. This certification will help you to move towards the role that you are looking for actually. Got it right? So we are a partner agency with IBAC, and this certification will help you to go with the roles that you are looking for. So we are one of the we are very few agencies in India. We are one of the agency. So definitely this certification will help you learn a lot and restart your career in a data science. Yes, scholarships are available. Shweta, the team will be in touch with you. And you have 5 years of experience in banking industry. Now you want to switch for the data science, Navi. Yes, you can switch for the data science, but please understand you have to think about like either you may be having an experience in sales, marketing, or a backend or a customer support in a BFSA banking industry. Then go back and think about like how you can able to use this experience uh, in the data science that will help you to get a right kind of career. Let me give you a simple example here. Uh, say I'm having an experience in a BFSI. You already know the customers and the loans, risk, credit payments, and everything. So this is what exactly the companies need in data science. Please understand, let me reiterate again. Most of the people think data science is a only coding. It's not coding and it's not at all true. Most data science works in understanding customer problems and analyzing data, not on the hardcore coding. Please understand, this is not only about the coding. This is more about like understanding the customer problem. Got it right? Because you already work with the data every day, right from the customer data till credit history, payments, transaction, everything actually. So this is a 40 percentage of data science work without Python. So you are going to learn the Python and data science tools now. Your domain knowledge is a huge advantage because data scientists who know the banking is more valuable than data scientists knows only the coding. So I'll give you a simple example. If I'm going to come and ask why this customer scores credit score drops, why there is an NPA happens. A Python expert or a coding expert cannot understand this actually. But you know why there is a credit score drop for the specific customers or specific region. This is what exactly the company needs now. So shift in the career, it's not what I'm trying to say is uh, that's not a kind of very difficult situation today. Yes, you can definitely shift your career. Yes, I have explained. Yes, Mr. AK will. Yes, we can offer the some substitute classes. If you need some details in the Tamil language, we can able to help you there actually. Yeah, more on freelancing opportunities actually. Yes, and work from home. Yes, if you want like a freelancing opportunities, there is a loads and loads of legitimate websites are available. Don't shell out your personal money in the freelancing opportunities. There are legitimate websites are available where you can represent yourself as a data analyst or business analyst. You'll get the freelancing opportunities to work there actually. Please understand there is loads of fraudulent websites are also there actually. Don't invest the money there. Then we will help you once you have the certain skills to start with the freelancing. It's not a big deal actually. We will help you with a set of websites that is available where you can register yourself. The company will quote whatever the money that you are looking for, whatever the price that you are looking for per hour. So if you negotiate well with the companies, you can got it right. Better roles with the freelancing opportunities. But what are the freelance roles you can look for? It's an Excel work, Power BI dashboard, Python projects, data cleaning, and social media posts, content writing, and everything. So a couple of websites like a platform like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, Naukri Gigs, LinkedIn. So these are like an available. So you can work on the freelancing, but you should know the tools. For example, if a client or a customer is giving like an thousands of Excel sheet, now customer wants the detail. Say for example, Amazon is giving like today or yesterday's the customer report in a Excel sheet, what they have purchased, when they have went for the website and everything. Now your role will be like how you are going to clean that one and make it as a dashboard, and you will get paid for that project actually. At this moment, the admission team will talk to you in case of any free classes are available. Any other queries, please? Thank you so much, Shweta. I'll ask that kindly scan this QR code and just fill your details. A few things like a name, email ID, and mobile number. I'll ask the admission team to get in touch with you. Yes, Ramya, the fee structure and other thing, I'll ask the team to get in touch with you. Just fill these details actually. Yes, the class timings, fee structure, and everything. The team will be updating you very soon. And let me reiterate again, your career matters a lot, and we are here to guide you. So kindly don't worry about the the employment and other part. We are here to guide you, and we are here to help you to employable. Okay, thank you guys. Uh, Priya, over to you. Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you, Ramya. Thank you, Vail. Thank you, Navi. Thank you, Arul. Thank you, Fredita, and the team will be in touch with you. Thanks a lot, and you have a good day. Thank you, thanks a lot. Yes, Navi, the certificates will be emailed to you shortly, within next week.
Hello everyone. Thanks for joining.